absolutely gorgeous pixie makeover. She did go darker for this one. So pretty. She looks absolutely flawless. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some long to short hairstyle ideas. So if you are currently on the hunt for a brand new shorter hairstyle, you are going to love today's video. So here we have someone getting a sew in. So this is a great way to actually go shorter without cutting your hair. She ended up going with this beautiful bright blonde shade. Gorgeous blunt cut. This is gorgeous. Wow. Look at the shine, the movement, the body, so pretty. Now, obviously this isn't her hair, but I still think that it is just a great way to go short. Such a pretty makeover. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another bob style. Ooh, she ended up getting a nice classic bob makeover here. Absolutely beautiful. Here we have another pixie haircut in the works. I really like the shape of this particular pixie. This is trending heavily right now, that asymmetrical cut. Very nice. Such a chic, modern pixie style. And then we have someone at the salon with a bob. Looks like she wants to go shorter. Doing more of a mini bob variation. absolutely gorgeous. I love the color. Very nice. This actually looks like more of a classic angled bob shape here. A lot of thickness and fullness throughout, and that color looks beautiful. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.